Hello everyone and welcome back to Sewing Adventures, a channel all about sewing. So this week I want to do something small, something quick, something that did not take a lot of materials, and I came up with a lanyard. So everyone's going back to college, university, or even work, and they need, an ID card, or you just want to use it for your keys or your work keys, and this is perfect and it's unique and it's yours and you made it and it doesn't take too much time, okay? But before we start on this video, I want you to like and subscribe because I'm a starter YouTuber and it will really help me grow my channel and you can stick around through my journey. So let's go! Using a water-resistant marker, I marked the measurements of 70 centimeters long by 12 centimeters wide. Cut it using a rotary cutter or fabric scissors. Give it a good press so it's easier to handle. Measure the midpoint and fold. Then press, repeat it for the other side and fold the fabric in half one last time. Top stitch both sides and remember to back stitch at the start and at the end. Using a keychain clip hook, we are going to insert it in the fabric and fold it as is shown. Give it a good press and hold. Using some plastic clippers, the Amazon link is below in my description if you want to have a look. To finish it off, sew a straight line.